Oh my god. Hello amigos, this is Will. Welcome back. Another video. In today's video, we're going to unbox another product from Elgato. I bought it Data Blitz. Shoutout sa Data Blitz Iloilo for accommodating my order, for the discount, for buying it cash. No further ado guys, let's do the unboxing. Let's go! We have having our new gadget, including in our streaming collection. So, pero it's kind of expensive for me because it's cost almost $200 or 10,000 pesos. So we have the Stream Deck from Elgato, ayan. So this is an Evolve Your Content DAO. And for this Stream Deck, we have 15 customizable LCD keys, and then single and multiple action with custom stand and interchangeable face plate, plus detachable cable. In the box, we have the Stream Deck, of course, the stand, the USB-C cable, and the quick start guide. So, let's do this. Let's do the unboxing. Tagal ko na to guys, gustong bilhin, pero syempre, it takes time for us to buy it, and it costs 8,395 pesos. Oh my god. So yan guys, ito na siya guys. It's color white. So inside the box, we have here first, there's another box. So open natin. We have here the Stream Deck guide. I don't know if there is a sticker. I hope so. There is. Pero parang wala. And then the USB-C cable. Ang kito, may pangalan din Elgato. Oh, I'm hoping to have a sticker. No sticker. Maybe dito. So, kukunin natin yung actual na product. It composed with the stand already. Yan. And then we have the Stream Deck. We have the 15 LCD keys. I don't know if... Ay, gagi. Ito lang pala siyang kalait. This cost 8,000 pesos, gagi. And then ito yung ano niya. Sorry! You have here the stand. Ayan. May siyang grip dito. Ayan, kinuha na natin. And we have the Stream Deck. We will going to set up, plug it inside the PC. Put it here. Ano ba? Ayan. Let's plug it in para makita natin yung ano siya kaganda. Ayun, setting up the device. Yun o, kagi. Yan, ready na daw. Go to elgato.com, downloads. We're going to set up our Elgato here. So, dito sa computer natin, Stream Deck nakalagay. Wala naman nakalagay dito na Stream Deck or what. So, ito yung i-download natin. Sign me up. So, you are subscribed. Looks, you're already subscribed to our creators data. Let's open it. Sorry guys, I'm downloading Genshin ulit kasi nagbabug kasi siya. So I need to power D. Ayan. So installing. Ayan. So naging black na siya. It's because black na rin nandito. So there's some icons. So you need to install to maneuver anything. We have the music here too. So, we can add anything. Ayan. See, nakikita ya guys. I already add this one. So, meron siya dito. Ito, control Twitch. And then, ito yung Spotify integration. So, ito, Pokemon Go. Oh my gosh, Pokemon Go na lang. So, yan. Yan yung icons natin. So, we can siguro add. Let's put some viewers. Ayan. We can do the viewers thing. Sub chat, kind of a sample lang guys. Streamlabs, we can do the spin wheel. So we have the push to talk thing, and then the viewers. Technically, yung Stream Deck is an easy access to your overall computer. And thank you guys for watching. I hope na nagustuhan yung unboxing natin. And see you on my next vlog. Adios mi amigos. Peace out. Bye.
I got deja vu when I saw you at a table at a road spot set for two. That look in your eye when you smile like you always do. But this time it wasn't me that was sitting there next to you.